Hey everyone! So I've been getting a lot of questions about this DFY, done for you business that I've shared about. And today I just wanted to cover some of the amazing benefits and why it just makes sense. And if what I'm about to share with you wasn't enough, I knew that I had made a fantastic decision when an industry leader like Kimberly Olson at the Gold Digger Girl fully supported this and quickly jumped on board as an affiliate herself. And she said it's one of the best decisions that she has made. So you know you're in the right place. So first off, think about how much effort goes into starting an online business. If you wanted to set up a Shopify store, you would have to buy all of the products, create the email marketing campaigns, hire admin help maybe, or end up doing all of the work yourself. And this could end up costing you thousands. But what if I told you there's a way to simplify all of that? Enter the DFY business, a creation of love marketing to simplify online success. With this DFY business, you get an amazing Shopify store with over 200 digital products like ebooks and courses and masterclasses, and on topics ranging from business growth, faith, real estate, pregnancy, and so much more. And to simplify your success, they provide a full training hub to teach you how to market your business. And you get instant access to over 200 affiliate links that you can start sharing and monetizing the day that you join. They handle the email marketing, abandoned cart reminders, upsell options, setup, and they continue to add new products that they create and purchase every week. All of this at zero monthly fees to us. This done for you business is truly simplifying online success for so many, and it just may be the missing piece that you've been looking for. So be sure to comment DFY so that I can get you more info so that you can start earning today. Okay. So here are some of my top reasons why this DFY business makes so much sense. And I'll try not to get too wordy, but I have my list so I don't forget. First, it simplifies every aspect of running an online business. There's no setup, no tech headaches. It's all done for you. There's no need to figure out websites and landing pages and sales copy and marketing graphics, stuff that I have spent the entire last year creating from scratch. Anyway, okay. Second, you get residual income with lifetime commissions. So you build your business now and you can enjoy commissions rolling in maybe a year from now when you're on vacation or maybe you're unable to work. Next, you get amazing mentorship and community. This isn't just some course that you purchase and then you're thrown to the wolves. It's not a course at all. It's a business. And you'll have me, the Love Marketing Company, and access to an amazing team that I'm part of led by Kimberly Olson. Woot woot! Okay, and back to the purchase of a course and then you're on your own thing for a minute. I have helped so many people in the online space recently that have been stuck, confused, overwhelmed, and just ready to give up because they've purchased this course and now they don't know what to do. They have questions, they're stuck, they have nobody to ask, they have nowhere to turn to. Well, that is not going to happen here. That is a promise that I can confidently make. You will not be alone. Okay, so I digress. Let's get back. Number 4. The fourth reason this DFY business makes so much sense is that it fills a huge gap in the market. It combines the network marketing model with high commission affiliate marketing. We have our first level. So come in as an affiliate, and depending on what package you choose, you can get up to 80% commission on other affiliates you refer or people shopping in your Shopify store. Then you get 10% on the next level and 5% on the next level. Those are what they call thank you levels. So that's that network marketing piece that so many of us love. But you also have the affiliate piece, so you don't have to handle all of that back end stuff. And then there's also the Sorry, the MRR2, master resale rates. So if your strategy is multiple streams of revenue, passive income, or maybe you're struggling because of all of the moving parts involved in running a successful online business, then this done for you business ties in beautifully and seamlessly. Next, it allows you to build your email list. You get emails for every lead and sale, and the company does all of the follow-up for you because they give you the emails for every lead you capture, meaning like if somebody requests one of your freebies, that email is now yours. And of course, every sale you make and every affiliate that joins you. And not every company does this. And Love Marketing will do the marketing to them for you. They do all of the follow-up for us too. And so many sales are lost because of this step. There's no follow-up, but not anymore. And in case you aren't aware why an email list is so important, it's because at any given moment, a social media channel can shut down, or your account can get hacked, or you can just lose access to your account. Another great reason is the one and done, meaning no monthly fees, no annual anything. You don't need to pay for anything ever again, just the initial investment to become an affiliate. So I'd say let's connect and get you in now to lock you in at the current pricing because the company is growing fast. And my guess is the prices may jump as they already have once. So just drop DFY in the comments and I'll share the info and the pricing and all of that stuff. And the final reason, the top reason that this business makes so much sense is that it truly is a way to help others. Because I've seen it. People who want to do this need an extra income, but they don't know where to start. Or they've bought a course and they quickly are overwhelmed or frustrated with all of the tech and they end up stuck and doing nothing or giving up. Or let's face it, you don't have enough time because life is busy and it takes time to create digital products. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love creating digital products, but the last guide that I worked on took me a few weeks. And well, who really has the time for that? So this can truly help others because the products are already done. Like I said, there's over 200 of them with more being added each week. It's a truly simple model that you can actually work in your spare time. And because of the simplicity and it being done for you, it makes it that much easier. I work this business 30 minutes in the morning, 30 minutes in the evening, and I'd say the most time-consuming part is replying to all of my DMs. Like, seriously. I know that you can automate that part, but I like to genuinely connect myself and answer and talk to people. So that's not the worst problem, right? So this is something that you can do on your lunch break while you're waiting for a doctor's appointment in the office or having a glass of wine in the evening. And you can easily add it on to whatever else you're already doing. That's what I've already done. And for those of you who are maybe in network marketing and have those, golden handcuffs and you're not allowed to do anything else, or maybe you're shy, you can start a faceless account. So many people on our team, myself included, are doing just that with a lot of success. And we have all of the training for it, and we also have all of the reels for it. It's all about working smarter, not harder, because there will be new products added every week. They will be doing all of the work to be keeping up with what's relevant. What are people loving these days? What's trending? They handle all of that so that you don't have to. I mean, there's even a weekly trending audios that they share with us so that you don't need to do that either. There is a year's worth of done for you social media content. And if you know anything about repurposing, that is basically a lifetime of content. I mean, I can go on and on and on, but I wanted to try to keep this short and informative. So, if you've ever wondered how, or you've struggled to make money on social, we actually show you how. So if you're someone who's ready to learn this, I want to invite you to take a look at it. I'm not promising overnight success, You do need to do the work, and I am not making any income claims. But this is something you seriously are going to want to at least take a look at. So just drop DFY in the comments and I'll share with you. And do me a favor. If you do sign up from my link without talking to me first, just DM me. Just say, hey, I joined with the DFY biz last night, and give me your name. That way I can onboard you and I can plug you into the team. Look, we are here to answer your questions and share strategy, and we want to see you succeed. This is it. This is huge, and I want you to be a part of it. We have had over 150 affiliates join in the last week. This DFY biz has huge momentum right now. And my final thought, remember that sitting around and waiting and overthinking and saying maybe one day will give you regrets, and it will most definitely not help you build your dream life. So thanks for listening, and let's do this damn thing.